Hi, I'm Shohrat Shankar, a leadership coach, a trainer, a facilitator, and an organizational consultant for the last 18 years. Human emotions are probably the most powerful thing in the world. Human emotions, or intense human emotions, have led people to wage wars. At the same time, strong emotions of togetherness or love have led people to strive for peace. A strong, intense desire that a person has to achieve something is the driving force behind every success. So, if you can see, all successes or all primary outcomes in the world are driven through a strong emotion or a strong human emotion. At the same time, human emotions not effectively managed or unbridled can lead to disaster and chaos. However, if I or any individual is able to harness the power of his emotions, then he can go and achieve just about anything his heart desires. So, if you want to harness the power of your emotions to achieve the success that you deserve in life, to get the relationships that you want, well, in that case, what you need to do is come attend my workshop on the power of emotional intelligence and harnessing that power. The details are given below. Look forward to seeing you there.